Boom! Right here, guys, this is eufyCam 3C. This thing has some great technology. 4K resolution, 180-day battery life. This is the latest and greatest technology from Eufy with the home base 3, 16GB of onboard storage, no monthly fee. Boom, boom, boom. eufyCam 3C with the BionicMind AI. This thing is smart. Boom, boom. Ooh, look at that presentation. You got 2 of the Eufy 3C cameras. Boom. Wow, these things are so small. These things are tiny. 4K sensor, f1.4 aperture lens nesting, great low light capability, two-way audio, 180-day battery life, and got a spotlight built in right here. It's crazy how small it is. 3C. Look at the sensor right there. 4K sensor, f1.4 aperture. Nice. Spotlight right here. This thing has a 180-day battery life. It's so compact. This is eufyCam 3C right here. And you get not one, but you got 2 of them. 2 eufyCam 3C right here. Boom. There's the second one. 4K, 180-day battery life with the spotlight, f1.4 aperture lens. These things are crazy. The home base 3. This one right here is the latest and greatest of the home base unit. Home base 3 right here. This is Eufy security. You have 1 USB, you have 2 USB, and you have the LAN port right here, and a DC input. Nice, simple, easy. Up here, pro, check that right here. What you do is you open it to push down here, and you lift up to open, and boom, right there. You have access to 2.5 SATA connection right here. You can put a solid state drive or regular hard drive to expand the storage in this baby. You can expand the storage up to 16 terabytes. You can extend it with the drive here or add USB storage right here. It already comes with 16GB of built-in memory, but with 16 terabytes, that's like 60 years worth of data. Boom! Accessory, you got your mounts right here. These mounts allow your camera to be easily installed and swivel. I love it. You also have some USB-C charging cables right here. You got the AC adapter right here. Of course, you guys have mounted hardware to mount all your cameras. Super awesome. All included right there. The Eufy user manual there for instructions on how to set it up and make it work right for you. So again, the home base 3. This is Eufy security eufyCam 3C set with 2 of these awesome camera, 4K sensor, f1.4 aperture. You got night vision. You got the spotlight down here, 180-day battery life. You got the home base 3 right here with 16GB of built-in memory, expandable up to 16 terabytes. The whole system uses the BionicMind AI, which now can detect faces. This is a eufyCam 3C right here. Latest and great technology from Eufy. Oh yeah.